In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to import and upload a customer list into QuickBooks Online. Whether you're transitioning from another accounting system or simply updating your records, this process is quick, simple, and something you can complete in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open QuickBooks Online and sign in. Click the Sign In button and choose QuickBooks Online if you're prompted to select a product. Then enter the email and password tied to your account and click Continue. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main QuickBooks dashboard, where all your financial tools are available. Next, navigate to the Settings menu. You'll find the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. Click it, and under the Tools section, select Import Data. This area is designed to help you upload different types of information, such as customers, vendors, products, and more. On the Import Data page, choose Customers as a record type. This tells QuickBooks you're uploading details related to your clients, ensuring the system places everything in the proper fields. Once Customers is selected, click the Import button to begin the upload process. Before moving forward, make sure your customer list is saved as a CSV file. This is the format QuickBooks requires for importing data. If your file is in another format, such as Excel, simply convert it to CSV before uploading. Now click the option to browse your computer and choose the CSV file that contains your customer information. After selecting it, QuickBooks will guide you to the field mapping screen. This step is important because it ensures your data is placed correctly. For example, the name column in your CSV should map to the customer name field in QuickBooks. Email addresses, phone numbers, and billing addresses should also match their corresponding fields. Take a moment to review everything to make sure each value aligns properly. Once the field mapping looks accurate, click Import. QuickBooks will begin processing your customer list. Depending on the size of your file, this may take a few seconds or up to a minute. When it's finished, you'll see your customers appear inside QuickBooks, fully uploaded and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully imported your customer list into QuickBooks Online. Keeping your data up to date is one of the best ways to ensure smooth operations, accurate reporting, and a seamless workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial made the process easier and clearer. If you found it helpful, be sure to check out my other QuickBooks guides for more tips that can save you time and improve your bookkeeping experience.